In this video, we will see a corollary based on theorem of areas of similar triangles. So the statement for this corollary is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So let us prove this statement. In order to prove this statement, let us draw the figure. So we have given two triangles which are similar. Let us consider ABC as the first triangle and PQR as the second triangle. Both these triangles are similar. We have also given their medians. We know that median is a line segment in a triangle which joins vertex of a triangle to midpoint of the opposite side. Means median of a triangle on a side will divide that particular side into two equal parts. So let us construct median AD in triangle ABC. Let us say AD is the median. So this point D will divide BC into two equal parts, that is BD and DC. So here we can say that BD is equal to DC, or we can also say that BC is double of BD as well as double of CD. Let us construct median in triangle PQR. Let us say PS be the median, then QS will be equal to SR, that is QS is equal to SR and both the parts are half of QR, or we can say that QR is double of QS or double of RS. Now let us see the things which are given to us. We have given that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar and AD and PS are respectively the medians on sides BC and QR of triangles ABC and triangle PQR. So now we can say that BC is double of BD and QR is double of QS because AD and PS are medians. Now let us see what to prove. We have to prove that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to square of AD upon PS. AD and PS are the corresponding medians of the given two triangles. Now let us see the proof of this corollary. Let us start with the proof. Let us draw the figure which we have already seen. Now we'll start from given. We have given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. As these two triangles are similar, all the corresponding angles will be equal. That is, angle A equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Let us consider this as equation number 1. And also we can write all the corresponding sides of these two triangles are also in proportion. So we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Let us consider this as equation number 2. So we know that if two triangles are similar, we can write all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the proportion because they are corresponding parts of the similar triangles. Now, in order to prove the given corollary, we will prove that triangle ABD and triangle PQS are similar, which are shaded portions of the given two triangles. So let us consider triangle ABD and triangle PQS. In triangle ABD and triangle PQS, we already have angle B equal to angle Q. This we can write from equation number 1. And we will take AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR from equation number 2. Now on the right side of this equation we have BC upon QR, but BC can be written as double of BD while QR can be written as double of QS. So next statement, we can write AB upon PQ is equal to 2 times BD upon 2 times QS. Here 2 will get cancelled. So we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS. Now AB and PQ as well as BD and QS are the corresponding sides of triangle ABD and triangle PQS, and here we can say that they are in a proportion because their ratios are equal and included angles between them, that is angle B and angle Q, are also equal. So we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS by side angle side similarity criteria. As these two triangles are similar, we can say that all the corresponding sides are in a proportion. So we can say AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. This we can write because they are corresponding parts of the similar triangles, right? After that, let us consider area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. We know that ABC and PQR are the similar triangles, and as they are similar triangles, we can write ratio of their areas is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, we can write is equal to AB upon PQ whole square by theorem on areas of similar triangles. Now AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. So let us replace AB upon PQ by AD upon PS. So that can be written as AD upon PS whole square. This we can write from equation number 3. So here we can say that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Now, after this, there are two more corollaries based on the theorem on areas of similar triangles. Like we have proved it for medians, similarly this can be proved for altitudes as well as it can be proved for angle bisectors. I'll be giving you both the statements in the next slide. Let us see the second corollary based on the theorem on areas of similar triangles. If we have given two similar triangles, then ratio of their areas is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding altitudes. And the third corollary is the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding angle bisectors. So these are the second and third corollaries. The second corollary can be proved by taking the support of the theorem which we have already proved. And for third corollary, you can move in the same way we have proved the first corollary. So this is very easy to do. Thank you.